Did you ever ponder over the vast variety of life forms that make our oceans their home? Have you ever thought about whales, the majestic marine creatures, and how diverse they are? The world of whales is a realm of remarkable diversity, a testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. With over 80 species gracing our oceans, whales are a spectacle of nature's grandeur. Let's dive into the world of these marine giants. Whales are broadly classified into two groups: toothed whales, known as Odontoceti, and baleen whales, or Mysticeti. Each group is unique, with its own set of fascinating characteristics. Toothed whales, as the name suggests, are equipped with teeth. This group includes species like the mighty sperm whales, the notorious killer whales, and even our friendly dolphins. Their diet mainly consists of fish, squid, and other marine animals, making them formidable hunters of the deep. On the other hand, baleen whales, like the humpback blue and gray whales, are gentle giants of the sea. Instead of teeth, they possess baleen plates, a unique adaptation that allows them to filter feed. These whales gulp massive amounts of water and filter out small organisms such as krill and plankton, a feeding strategy that sustains some of the largest animals on Earth. But the diversity doesn't stop there. Each species of whale has its own unique traits, behaviors, and adaptations. Some whales are known for their enchanting songs, others for their incredible diving abilities. Some are solitary wanderers, while others live in complex matrilineal family groups. From the smallest dwarf sperm whale, reaching lengths of around 9 feet, to the colossal blue whale, the largest animal ever known to have existed, measuring up to 98 feet and weighing as much as 200 tons, the range in size is mind-boggling. From the ferocious killer whales to the gigantic blue whales, the diversity of whales is truly astonishing. They are not only diverse but also the largest creatures on our planet. So, the next time you gaze out at the vast ocean, remember the incredible diversity of life beneath the waves, and the whales, the majestic marine creatures that call it home. Size does matter, especially when you're a whale. But how big can these marine giants really get? And how have they adapted to life in the vast, deep ocean? Let's talk sizes first. Whales are indeed the largest animals on Earth. The blue whale takes the crown as the largest animal ever known to have existed. Imagine this: an adult blue whale can measure up to a staggering 98 feet in length and weigh as much as 200 tons. That's longer than a professional basketball court and heavier than a space shuttle. But the world of whales isn't just about the gigantic. At the other end of the scale we have the dwarf sperm whale, still impressive with lengths of around 9 feet. Now, surviving in the aquatic world isn't just a matter of size, it's about the right adaptations. Whales have evolved to become masters of their marine environment. Their bodies are streamlined for efficient swimming. Flippers and tail flukes propel them through the water while their blubber provides insulation against the cold ocean depths. Let's dive deeper into their adaptations. Some whale species can plunge to incredible depths and hold their breath for extended periods. Consider the sperm whale, known to dive as deep as 6,600 feet and stay submerged for over an hour. That's deeper than the height of 5 Empire State Buildings stacked on top of each other. And what about feeding? Baleen whales like the humpback, blue, and gray whales don't have teeth. Instead, they possess specialized baleen plates. These plates act like a sieve, allowing them to filter vast quantities of water and extract tiny prey like krill and plankton. It's a unique feeding mechanism that suits their large size and the abundance of small organisms in the ocean. From the smallest dwarf sperm whale to the largest blue whale, these marine mammals are a testament to nature's grandeur and adaptability. So, next time you think about whales, remember, it's not just their size that's impressive. It's their incredible ability to adapt to and thrive in the ocean's depths. Whales are not solitary giants of the ocean. They have complex social structures and undertake extensive migrations. But why do they do so? Let's start with their social behavior. Many whale species are highly sociable, living in groups that range from a few individuals to several dozen. These groups, known as pods, are often matrilineal in nature, meaning they are led by a dominant female and consist of her offspring and other related females. This is particularly common among species such as killer whales and sperm whales. Communication plays a vital role in these pods. Whales use a variety of vocalizations, including clicks, whistles, and songs, to interact with each other, navigate their oceanic environment, and locate prey. Humpback whales, for instance, are known for their complex and beautiful songs. These melodies can last for hours and are unique to each individual, serving as a form of identification. However, not all whales live in permanent pods. Some, like the humpback whales, have more fluid social associations, forming temporary groups for specific purposes such as feeding or breeding. Now let's talk about migration. Whales are known for their extensive migrations, traveling thousands of kilometers between feeding and breeding grounds each year. These journeys are driven by a combination of food availability and reproductive cycles. For instance, baleen whales such as the humpback, blue and gray whales migrate to polar regions during the summer months to feed on abundant krill and plankton. As winter sets in, they return to warmer waters for breeding and calving, where food is less plentiful, but conditions are more suitable for their young. These migrations are not just impressive feats of endurance. They also play a crucial role in the whale's survival, allowing them to exploit the richest food sources and find the safest breeding grounds. Whether it's the intricate songs of the humpback whales or the long journeys undertaken by the baleen whales, the social and migratory behaviors of these creatures are awe-inspiring. Our oceanic giants face numerous threats, from pollution and climate change to human activities. But why is it critical to conserve these marine mammals? Whales, the largest animals on Earth, are not only fascinating creatures but also play crucial roles in marine ecosystems. As top predators, they help maintain the balance of marine life by preying on other species, preventing overpopulation and ensuring biodiversity. They are also ecosystem engineers, contributing significantly to nutrient cycling in the oceans. When they feed in the deep and release nutrients near the surface, they essentially fertilize the water, promoting the growth of phytoplankton, which forms the base of marine food chains and produces half of the world's oxygen. Despite their immense importance, whales are under significant threat. Pollution, particularly plastic and chemical pollutants, can lead to disease or death. Climate change, by altering ocean temperatures and currents, affects the distribution of prey, potentially leading to starvation for some species. Entanglement in fishing gear and collisions with vessels pose physical threats, while noise pollution disrupts their communication and navigation. Historically, commercial whaling has been a major threat, causing dramatic declines in many whale populations. Although international protections have led to recovery for some species, others remain endangered or vulnerable. Conservation efforts focus on mitigating these human impacts. Establishing marine protected areas provides safe havens where whales can feed, breed, and raise their young without disturbance. Regulations on pollution and fishing practices aim to reduce threats, and research helps us better understand whale biology and behavior, informing more effective conservation strategies. Public awareness and education are also crucial. The more we understand about these magnificent creatures, the more we can appreciate their value and the need to protect them. Many organizations and initiatives work tirelessly to inspire people, engage communities, and influence policymakers to take action for whale conservation. Protecting whales is not just about saving these majestic creatures, it's about preserving the health of our oceans and our planet's biodiversity. Remember, every creature plays a unique role in the tapestry of life, and every thread is essential.